Here is a question you face all the time. You want 3 things. They cost $19, $22, and $38. You have a $90 bill. The question is simple. Will $90 be enough? And can you tell without adding it all up exactly? Pause the video. Will $90 cover 19, 22, and 38? Here is a hint. Round each price up. Here is the move. When you must not come up short, round every price up. 19 becomes 20, 22 becomes 25, 38 becomes 40. Add them. 20 plus 25 plus 40 is 85. 85 is under 90, so yes, you are safely covered. Rounding down would give 70. That lies low and could fool you. Rounding up keeps you safe. But the safe side can also warn you. New cart. You have $100. Round up. 25 plus 50 plus 35 is 110. That is over 100, so stop. The exact total is 105, also over. The estimate warned you in time. Now let us lock it in. Round 1. Movie snacks cost 18 and 27. Round up to 20 and 30. Your safe estimate is 50. The real total is 45. Under 50. Safe. Round 2. A field trip kit. 39, 42, and 28. Round up to 40, 45, and 30. Your estimate is 115. The real total is 109. Under your estimate. Safe again. This is the safe side rounding rule. If an estimate must not fall short, round every quantity up so your estimate stays safely high. Look for the question, will I have enough? That is when coming up short would cost you. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.